Welcome back to our AI in Education series. This is week 4, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful promises of AI personalized learning, how every child gets what they need. Because, let's face it, every child is different. They learn at different speeds, in different styles, with different needs. So why do we still teach them all the same way? Well, not anymore. Thanks to AI, personalized learning is no longer a dream. It's a reality. And today, I'll show you how. Imagine a classroom of 30 students. Some are visual learners, some are auditory, some are fast-paced, others need more time. But in traditional systems, we often have to stick to one pace, one method, one assessment. This leaves many kids behind, and some unchallenged. Teachers try their best, but without support, personalization is nearly impossible. That's where AI steps in, as your scalable teaching partner. So what exactly is personalized learning? It's when content adapts to the student's level, feedback is instant and tailored, pace matches the learner's speed, and the child is empowered to take ownership of their learning. AI acts like a smart mirror, constantly reflecting where the student is and suggesting where they can go next. It's like having 30 unique tutors in your classroom, but all powered by technology. So let's break down how AI can do what humans simply cannot: personalize at scale. First up, adaptive learning paths. Platforms like Khan Academy or S3E4 Tech actually track how each student performs and then adjust the difficulty level accordingly. For example, if a student struggles with subtraction, the AI might bring in more visuals or suggest a video review before moving forward. Next, there's instant feedback. AI tutors like Khanmigo or Socratic by Google don't just give answers, they explain why something is right or wrong, and they do it instantly. The big benefit here is that students can self-correct without waiting for the teacher. Alright, let's talk about how AI actually adapts to each learner. First, for English as a second language learners, tools like Elsa Speak or Duolingo AI can, adjust accents, vocabulary levels, and even the pacing to match a student's comfort. Next, some AI tools are smart enough to detect if a learner prefers visual content over text, and they can switch formats accordingly. And then, there are AI-generated recommendations. Apps like Edmentum or Dreambox analyze learning trends and suggest what topics to revise, what skills to practice, and what resources might suit a student best. It's kind of amazing how one topic can be explained in totally different ways, like through animation for one student, storytelling for another, or even a practice worksheet for someone else. So, here are the most effective tools that you can actually use in your classroom. First up, Khan Academy and its AI tutor, Khanmigo, offer personalized math and science lessons, adapting and explaining things in real time. Then, there's Dreambox Learning, which is used in many US schools. It adjusts the math curriculum for kindergarten through 8th grade learners and offers real-time dashboards for teachers. Duolingo and Duolingo Max use AI to change the difficulty level based on a student's past performance, making them ideal for language learning. Socratic by Google lets students take a picture of a problem and explains the solution, providing personalized guidance based on the topic and grade. And finally, S3E4 Tech is an AI-powered curriculum platform that tracks learning gaps, offers micro-lessons, and delivers insights for teachers. You definitely don't have to use all these tools at once. Just start with one and see how your students respond. Let me share 2 quick stories with you. First, there's Ria, who is 9 years old. She struggled in math and lost her confidence. But her teacher started using Khan Academy's adaptive path, and Ria began learning at her own level. Within 3 months, she improved by 40% and now even helps her peers. And then there's Raj, age 14. English was his second language, and he started using Duolingo daily. Now, he confidently participates in debates and even scored the highest in his English paper last term. These results aren't just numbers. They represent confidence, identity, and a real belief in the power of learning. So how can you start personalizing learning with AI? Well, start by identifying one student who needs a little extra support. Then, choose one tool that fits their need. Maybe Khanmigo, Socratic, Dreambox, or even ChatGPT. Set small goals like 10 minutes per day, 3 times a week, and don't forget to monitor their growth both emotionally and academically. Remember, AI doesn't replace the human connection. It just helps ensure every child gets the attention they truly deserve. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more episodes like this. And comment below, which student in your class could benefit most from AI-powered personalization? Next week, we'll explore real case studies of schools using AI successfully. It's going to be exciting. Until then, keep teaching, keep growing, and let every child shine.